I think it's fine. Coffee. I know. You mostly from far away. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going through it over here. These yawns take everything out of my body. There you go. I can't not look so weird. Should we go peachy? Good. Smile with my goodie bag. Woke me right up. Yay, presents! I got one last one.
Whoa, okay. Hold on. A damn cat kept me up all night. I bet you cannot watch this video without yawning. Seriously though, why is yawning so contagious? Y'all do me a favor and watch this video and please tell me if you do yawn or if you do not yawn. I'm seriously watching this video back and I cannot quit freaking yawning. I cannot be the only one doing this, right?
Can we normalize yawning in the gym, please?
Longer. This is an awful lot of work. I'm officially going to be there.
Work hard time. I'll always give 100 in my sets, but in between, I'm half asleep. Rip in the chat.
Like that?
Only the occupant.
When I grow up,
And you'll be season yet, babe?
Mommy, I would like to.
I have no clue when we started school. No. Plant more trees.
Your car breaks down. That was
And my body set up for the like candle on it.
In the middle of the party, get off me. In the cut, I'm rolling up my broccoli. Yeah, I know your baby mama fond of me. All she wanna do is smoke that broccoli. Whispered in my ear.
Whoa, okay. Hold on. A damn cat kept me up all night.
Check this out. They're going to be having a big old storm that's going to be coming through and out America. And you know what that is? Y'all really going to be thinking it's a storm, a tornado, and all that other shit. But this time, it's going to get worse. And guess what that is? A nuclear bomb. A nuclear bomb that's going to literally take all our power out. A nuclear bomb that's going to hit everybody. You know what I'm saying? It's going to, hurt everybody. Everybody going to get killed, all that other shit. It's a lot that's going on in American.
To whoever gets to love her next. She likes flowers. Flowers that she didn't ask for. She likes going on dates. Dates that you plan. It shows her that you want to spend time with her. She likes reassurance. She likes love notes, love letters, texts and updates throughout your day. Let her know you're thinking about her. Oh, and if you find a song that reminds you of her, send it to her and watch her smile light up. Forehead kisses. Everyone likes forehead kisses. She likes acts of service, quality time, physical touch. She likes little surprises because, let's be honest, the little things do matter. And this is a big one.
5, 6, 8. Y'all need to hype me up. Do that thing with your eyes. Money, look. Let me see them lips. Attitude and give me face. Boom, boom, boom. Eyes, lips, face. Wait. Ooh, you got that drip? It ain't no debate. You see, I'm a winner in my eyes. Lips like this to make them cry. A certified star in the face. You gon' always know I'm in the place. Tryna catch a little bit of this Southside.
We just came back from church just a while ago. Okay? They get me some listen. We're gonna make sure look good.
exhausted thinking about my week. Ooh. Yeah, so I don't know what your question was.